Today I'm going to show you how to change the blower resistor for a 2004 GMC Envoy XUV. XL is the same way. Sorry about the quality. Because of the constrained area you're recording in, it's very hard to set up a good camera, so I had to use my phone, which meant quality was not as good. But hopefully you'll still be able to see where you would go to get to the parts, how to connect it all back together, and you at least will save some money in the long run, because this is a very simple fix that even you can do. Come with me while I show you how to fix the fan resistor on your GMC Envoy. The hardest part about the install is getting your hands back where you need to get them. Our piece that we're putting in, I already started it, is behind the fan right here, and it's right up at the top here. It's this gray piece. It's hard to get back there with the tools, but you put that in there, you screw that in. Again, you're using the 6mm socket. Get that all in there, and then you're ready to install the wire harnessing. Get a good view of what you're going behind from the front. This is the fan that you're going behind. So when you first get that dashboard taken apart, you'll find the fan, go behind that, and you'll find the piece. Once you have the modular installed, you have to cut this clip, which is the old clip, off that used to go into the old modular. You clip that off, and then we're going to strip the wires, and then strip the wires on the clamp that came from the new one that was just installed, so we can fuse them together. We just got to cut all those cords, or wires, not cords. Take off that old end. Sorry if the quality is not the best, but it is not easy setting this up. But now you've got to basically strip the wire at the very end, so that way so you put the wire stripper on, you gotta do that, and then you pull off the end. No. It's not wanting to come off. I'm wondering if I maybe need to go up to the next spot. Maybe I'm not using the right one. It is coming loose, but it's not coming off. It is cut all the way through too, so I don't know why it's not coming off, but it's just not sliding. step, we are connecting the wires. Take the connector on the stripped wire, go ahead and press or push it through, and then you do it on both sides. You always want to tape the wires up when you're done. So you start down by the wire, you tape over the connector, and you go all the way around to the other wire. And then just pull till the tape breaks. Once these are where they need to be, you're going to clamp it down. Tape that up. Now for the two purple, don't have a connector small enough for these, so we're just going to twist them together and tape it. That's our ground wire. Now comes the moment of truth. We have to hook all these things back up. This needs to get hooked back up into the modular. Has to go back up into its spot where the fan is. Right there. So everything is all hooked back up. Here's the moment of truth. We find out, does the fan need to get replaced? Or was that the only problem? And is it hooked up properly so we are good to go? So let's start the car up. And we're going to turn up the heat. And it is definitely kicking. We have heat. Got heat blowing from up there. You can hear the fan kicking down there. Everything's looking good. I think we got it. Well, guys, that appeared to fix the problem. The heat is now kicking. I have it going at all speeds. Looks good. If that doesn't fix the problem, sometimes when that burns out, your fan will also burn out, which is right here. If that burns out, then you have 3 nuts you take off and 3 bolts you take off, and that pops right out. You put a new fan in and you're good to go. Sometimes that fan gets stuck, sometimes it gets wet, sometimes it just stops working. But it appears the only problem that we had going on today was that module. So we replaced that, and we've got heat and air conditioning again. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you were able to figure out what I was doing so you can fix your fan resistor yourself. It's fairly simple to do, it really is. It's just a tight, constrained area you're working in, which is the hardest part. But I hope if you're running into this problem, you can fix it yourself now after this how-to video. Everyone have a great day. Remember, enjoy life, and we'll catch you on the next one.